Chapter 6. Plants and their leaves.
Mummy, is this spinach? Are you cooking this today? Yes. Do you know that different plants have different types of leaves? We use them in many ways.
Leaves are the most important part of a plant. They are usually green in color. They make food for the plant. They are of different sizes and shapes. However, their basic structure is the same. Leaf blade, leaf stalk, main vein and side veins are the main parts of a leaf. Types of leaves. Leaves are of different sizes, shapes and colors. They may be compound leaves or simple leaves. A compound leaf has 2 or more blades, while simple leaf has 1 blade only. Color. Usually, the color of leaves is green. They are green because of the presence of a green pigment called chlorophyll. Leaves of some plants like that of croton may be red, yellow or orange. Size. Leaves may be big, small, broad, long or thin. Broad and long leaf. Big leaves. Thin and long leaves. Small leaves. Shape. Leaves are of different shapes. They may be circular, oval, triangular, needle-like and so on. The lotus plant has round leaves. Guava has oval leaves. The leaves of eucalyptus are long while that of a peepal tree are triangular. The leaves of a cactus plant are in the form of spines. Circular leaves, oval leaves, long leaves, triangular leaf, needle-shaped leaf, spinous leaves. Shape. Some leaves have even and smooth edges, such as the leaves of mango and banana plants. Some leaves have jagged or uneven edges, such as the leaves of a rose plant. Smell. Leaves of different plants have different and unique smell. We can easily identify them with their smell. Coriander leaves, neem leaves, curry leaves, mint leaves. Texture. Different leaves have different texture. Hence, they feel different when we touch them. Leaves of some plants have a leathery touch, such as the leaves of a rubber plant. The leaves of neem and guava are soft, while rose and hibiscus plants have rough leaves. Uses of leaves. Leaves are a major part of a plant. They are known as the food factory of a plant. They make food for the plant through the process of photosynthesis. They perform photosynthesis in the presence of air, water, and sunlight. Some food made by the leaves is used by the plant for its growth. The remaining food is stored in different parts of the plant. This stored part of the food is used by human beings and animals. Useful medicines are made from the leaves of tulsi, neem, and many other plants. South Indians use banana leaves as plates to serve food on special occasion. Coconut, palm, and date palm leaves are used to make the roof of huts. Leaves of a dhak plant are used to make disposable bowls and plates. People use leaves of ashoka and mango to decorate their houses on special occasion. Herbivorous animals such as deer, goat, sheep, and giraffe eat the leaves of plants. Human beings use the leaves of several plants like spinach, fenugreek, betel, and lettuce as food. Dyes are made from the leaves of henna and indigo. The popular beverage, tea, is prepared using the leaves of tea plant. Leaves of some plants are used to add flavor to food such as curry leaves, coriander, mint, and bay leaves. Shading of leaves. Plants lose leaves and grow new ones throughout their lives. However, many trees shed all their leaves in the autumn season. This happens because trees stop growing during this period of time. During winters, water freezes in cold places. To reduce their need of water, plants shed their leaves. These fallen leaves can be used to make compost, which is a very useful fertilizer. It increases the fertility of soil.